Hi guys, we have actually introduced Ansys in this lesson. Meshing is so important for analyze. Program calculates for each mesh. Some regions should have more mesh like sharp corners. Ansys shows us mesh quality. It should be in acceptable values. For example, if you don't use more mesh at sharp corner, meshing quality will be less. Because of that reason, we will add mesh, then control mesh quality. If mesh quality is low, we will repair mesh. I open a T connector project and open mesh by double click. That is outline. Toolbars are here. You can see details and graphic videos is here. Now I want to add message video, view, window and messages. As you can see, messages window is here, and I can select vertex, age, face or body by using here. We can adjust meshing properties by right click at mesh here and insert. We can add this option, or if I right click on body and insert, again same window will open. In order to change mesh type, I use right click here, insert and method. Firstly, I choose body, then okay, and I use automatic here, automatic method. This is combination of tetrahedron and sweep. Generate mesh. Click on mesh and see window. Now change method as tetrahedron. It has two algorithms, page conforming and page independent. For page conforming, meshing start to age, face, then volume. It is good for complex CAD geometries. So we will generally use page conforming to solve problem.